This is a range object. We can convert this into a list with the values 0 to 7. This one gives us the numbers -7 to 2. And this one does it in intervals of 2. We can use a range object to obtain a collection of values to iterate on. Multiples. Write a function that takes a number and another to decide how many multiples of the first number to print. It should do this without using a loop. So this function takes two values, m and n. Mults is the range object from if m is 7 and n is 7, it is range of 7 to 50 with intervals of 7. Then we unpack values. This gives us 7 multiples of 7 from 7 to 49. Weird alliteration, as we call it, is when in a string where one word ends with a certain letter, the next word begins with that letter. Like when nails shine. Write a function that takes a string and determines whether it observes weird alliteration. So this function takes a string. Words is the list from splitting this string around spaces to get all the words in it. With range, we iterate on the indices of this list. For up to the second last word, we check if the last letter of the word at index is not equal to the first letter of the word at the next index, we make the function immediately return false. If it makes it through the entire for loop though, we make it return true. This one is weird alliteration. When ends with n and nails begins with n. Nails ends with s and shine begins with s. But this one is not weird alliteration.